Hey there, homeowners! Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen flooring but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. Let's dive into the top kitchen flooring choices and find out what's best for your home. First up, durability. Your kitchen floor needs to handle heavy use, resist damage, and look great for years. Tile flooring is a standout here. It's tough, waterproof, and available in countless designs. Porcelain tiles in particular are incredibly resistant to water and stains. Next, let's talk about hardwood. Engineered hardwood gives you that classic look with better moisture resistance than traditional hardwood. But if real wood isn't your thing, consider luxury vinyl. It mimics natural materials, is waterproof, durable, and works well with underfloor heating. Now, for those looking for something luxurious, natural stone is a fantastic choice. It's durable and beautiful, but remember, it does require regular sealing. On the flip side, laminate is affordable, easy to install, and mimics wood or tile. However, it might not be as water-resistant as other options. Comfort is key, too. You'll be standing on this floor a lot. Ensure your choice is comfy underfoot and consider slip resistance to prevent accidents. Evaluate the cost and installation complexity, and check if your flooring choice is compatible with underfloor heating. And of course, aesthetic appeal. Your kitchen should reflect your style. Trends like large format tiles, waterproof laminates, eco-friendly materials, and mixed material designs are all popular right now. For expert guidance and quality installation, reach out to R.A. Cook's Renovations in Kettering, OH. You can contact them at 937-884-2283. They'll help you find the perfect flooring for your kitchen. Thanks for watching and happy renovating.